Here we've got the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox, and this is your base model LS, Summit White on jet black cloth. This is probably one of the hottest SUVs out here right now, especially for Chevy. I'd say it's one of their top sellers, if not the top seller. So this one, you've got your power seat. Got power mirrors, power door locks. And one thing that I like that they've done with the Equinox is they made the safety features standard. So you've got your lane keep assist, forward collision alert, all that is standard on all of your LS and up Equinoxes. Got 2 USB ports in the rear seat. And for the most part, you've got pretty ample leg room. I'm 6'3" and I can fit in the front seat comfortably. And I've adjusted for it right there, and you can fit, you know, somebody a little shorter back there. Got the 1.5 liter turbo in this one with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which for most people in this segment tends to do the job in terms of horsepower and acceleration. Got your standard Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot. And I like they put the electric parking brakes in all these too. There's your gauge cluster there. Kind of cycle through what you want to have up there. Push button start. And that's pretty much it for the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LS.